Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an Xbox 360 controller on your PlayStation 4. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. We're going to be achieving this by using the Cronus Max Plus. You can find links to that in the description down below. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So I should mention for this video we're not going to be using the Xbox 360 controller wirelessly. For this video we're going to be focusing specifically on a wired version of the Xbox 360 controller, but I do plan to come back to this a little bit later on and make a wireless version also, but for now we're going to be focusing on the wired version. So the first thing we're going to be doing is grabbing our Cronus Max USB and we're going to be plugging it into our PC. You can do this by grabbing your Cronus Max, turning it to the side, getting the little USB port, and we're going to be connecting this via USB to our PC. We're not going to be plugging it directly in our PC, we are going to have to use the wire to program it. Once this is done, we're going to be opening up the Cronus Max software and we're going to be changing some settings on our device. So once you're in your Cronus Max, we're going to be coming up to Tools and then we're going to be going to Options and then we're going to be coming to Device. You want to set the top option right here to Automatic, or you can select it to PS4, and if Automatic is giving you issues, set it to PS4. And then all other settings you can leave like I have on screen right now. The speed up settings at the bottom you can kind of pick and choose as you wish, but once you have all these settings done, simply click close and then we're going to be removing the Cronus Max from our PC. Once your Cronus Max has been removed from your PC, we're going to be plugging it into our PlayStation. So for this method I'd recommend having your PlayStation off. It should automatically connect when it's on, but just to remove all issues we're going to be turning the console completely off. Now in this case I'm going to be using it through a USB dongle. It didn't give me any issues, but if you are having issues I'd recommend plugging it directly into the console. From here we're going to be grabbing our Xbox 360 controller and plugging it via the USB into our Cronus Max. Now once we turn on the actual console, the Cronus Max should power up and the light should turn on automatically on our Xbox 360 controller and everything should work just fine. Now just to get a close-up of what the Cronus Max should do when you actually plug it in and turn it on for the first time, you should get this flashing from A to U on your Cronus Max. If you don't get this, I'd recommend going back to your settings and changing it from automatic to just PS4 and see if that fixes your issue. Sometimes when you set it to automatic, it won't automatically pick it up even though that's what it should do, but I'd recommend putting it to PS3 if you're getting some issues. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal, and I'm also going to be leaving my Amazon affiliate links for the Cronus Max in the description down below. So if you find my videos helpful and you want to support me, check those out. I always put the best quality into my videos that I can. I put a lot of work into them, so if you want to help me keep making these videos, be sure to check those out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.